start class today, children, my dear children. First of all, today we are going to talk about graphs and charts. Our topic is graph and charts. Mulai dari Welcome to my class today, English class, my dear children. Today we are going to talk about the question number 14 in your level examination paper. Right? Then before that, pay attention this first. When you are going to select 14 question, you have to pay these points and keep that in your mind. First one, pay attention length of the answer. Pay attention length of the answer. Length means you have to write 100 words, right? Then if your writing is not relevant to the question, that means if your writing is not relevant to the question, you can't reach to the marks because content 0. You will not get any marks for language, format, organization and mechanic of writing. That means content 0. Right? Then next point is that if all your sentences are incorrect, language 0. That means if you can't write any single sentence correctly, grammatically correct, you can't get marks. Will not get full marks for content, right? Then when we consider their allocated marks, content 3 marks you can get, language 3 marks you can get, format and organization 2 marks, and mechanic of writing again 2 marks. You can get altogether 10. Out of 10, you can get marks. That means very easy question. Question number 14, you can, you try to do that best. Now, at the end of this lesson, students, you will be able to describe bar graphs neatly and correctly, right? Then today, in our day-to-day life, we are going to talk about many graphs and charts, right? You can see first one, pie chart. You know that pie chart. Then next one, bar graphs. Bar graphs. Next one, Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. Next one, line chart. Line chart. Right? From that, today my topic is bar graphs. Bar graphs. We find bar graphs in so many places in your day-to-day life. Right? Can you tell me the places, please? You know that. Yes, in schools, in hospitals, in police stations, in banks, right? In schools to show the results of scholarship, O-level and A-level results. To show that up or down, drawing up or drawing down. In hospitals, to show the spread of diseases like dengue, malaria, like that. In police station, to show the increase of accidents day by day or year by year, right? Then in banks, to show the increase of their profits going up or going down, right? Now we see how to write the paragraph. How to write the paragraph. Bar graph, how to describe the bar graph. Right? We see the first sentence. How we take it. Right? We can take like this. This bar graph gives information about the qualities of the students, activities of the students, leisure time activities of the students, their hobbies, like that. Or this bar graph represents, or this bar graph illustrates, or this bar graph shows, Another sentence is there. The above bar graph shows the information about the leisure time activities. The above bar graph shows the results of the grade 11 students, like that. Now see how we write the first sentence here. Read the first one, please. Can you read? This bar graph gives information about the results of the survey conducted in grade 11s of Kalthota Rohana Vidyalaya. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Now see the second sentence. I took that from the question. Right now question is there. The following bar graph shows extra activities done by grade 11s of your school. There are two words here. What are the words? Following and your. I am going to replace two words there. Right, first one, the following means question describe about the following bar graph. So we are going to describe about the above bar graph. So we replace the word following to above. Then the next one, your. We can't say your school. When you are going to describe your school, you can't write your school. You have to write here my school or our school. My school or our school. Then see the next one, please. Right. Now see the sentence, please. Right. Then see the first here examples. This bar graph gives information about the results of the survey conducted in grade 11 students of Kalthota Rohana Vidyalaya. Right? Then first sentence. Again we can write like this way. Right? This is the way. The following, I took this from the question also. This is the question. The following bar graph shows extra activities done by grade 11 students of your school. So we have to write this one like this way. Right? The above bar graph shows extra activities done by grade 11 of my school. Grade 11 of our school. Right? My school our school. We can write. Then we are going to describe about the second sentence. 2 lines. Right? First line. Now see the 2 lines here. Yes. Now see lines. There are 2 lines. First one. Now see vertical axis. Vertical axis means this side. Vertical axis means this side. Then horizontal axis. We say horizontal axis this side. Right? Then we are going to write second sentence like this. The above bar graph shows extra activities done by grade 11s of our school. This is the topic. This is the first sentence. And the second sentence we are going to write this way. Like this. Right. The vertical axis shows the number of students. First line. The vertical axis shows the number of students. Then next sentence. The horizontal axis shows their favorite colors. The horizontal axis shows their favorite colors. My dear children, we can connect 2 sentences like this way. Right? Now see this one. The vertical axis shows the number of students, while the horizontal axis shows their favorite colors. Right? Read it again. The vertical axis shows the number of students, while the horizontal axis shows their favorite colors. Right. Now this is the sentence, second sentence. We can write this way. 2 sentences so 1 sentence using while. Right. Then we see next one. Right. How we write the next sentence, please. Right. Now see these words, please. What are the words? Yes. The highest, the lowest, the most popular, the least popular. The highest. This is superlative forms. Superlative forms. You know, you learn adjectives. Right? You learn adjectives. Positive, comparative and superlative. Superlative. Best one. So we use the article the. We use the article the. So superlative adjectives here describe it. So emphasis that we use the highest number of students like to read newspapers. The highest number of. The highest. Right? Best. Bigger. Right? The highest number of students like to read newspapers, and the lowest number of students like to read novels. Right? Then the most popular leisure time activity is reading newspaper. Reading newspapers. Then the least number of students, the least popular leisure time activity is reading novels. Read it again. Children, please read it again. The highest number of students like to read newspapers. The lowest number of students like to read novels. The most popular leisure time activity is reading newspaper. And the last, the least popular leisure time activity is reading novels. Right? Is it okay? Right. Then see the next sentence. How we write that? You see maximum and minimum. Majority and minority. Maximum, a lot. Maximum, a lot. And minimum means a few. Minimum means few. Majority means again same idea, lot. And minority means a few. Right? Now see the sentence here. Maximum number of students select reading newspapers as their leisure time activity. A lot students. Maximum number of, a lot. Maximum number of students select reading newspapers as their leisure time activity, and minimum percentage of students like reading novels as their leisure time activity. Again, majority of the students are reading novels, and minority of students are reading newspapers. Did you understand that? Yes, children. Right, very good. Then next sentence, right? Right. More popular than less popular. Again, I remind you, we learned about the adjectives, positive adjective, comparative and superlative. Compare. So, comparative means compare with two. Right? We are going to compare with two. Right, this one. Reading newspaper is more popular than reading novels. Reading newspaper is more popular than reading novels. Right? Did you understand the meaning of that sentence? Yes. Very good. The next one. I am going to introduce new word here, equal. What's the meaning of that? Equal. Equal? Same level, children. Same level. Similar level. Same or similar. An equal number of students read short stories and magazine. An equal number of students read short stories and magazine. Same way, same level. Equal means. Right? Did you understand that? Okay. Then next. Right. Now we are going to end of this sentence. We are going to end of this description. Right. Now we are going to write like this way. Right. Now see the sentence. According to the above information, not following, above information. According to the above information, it is clear that, right? You have a clear idea now. So we say it is clear that the most popular leisure time activity is reading newspapers, and reading novels is the least popular one among the children. Right? Now read it again. According to the above information, it is clear that the most popular leisure time activity is reading newspapers, and reading novels is the least popular one among the children. Right? Now we jump to the activities. Right? Shall we do that? Right? Right. Now we are going to do that activity. I hope you are ready with pens and books. Is it? Yes. Yes. Very good. Right. Now take your pencil and books and try to do that activity. Before that, before you read the question, look at that bar graph, please. Look at that bar graph, please. What's it? Yes? Yes. What's it? Here, personal qualities of students in grade 10B. Personal qualities of students in grade 10B. Right. What are the qualities mentioned here? Right? What are the qualities? Generous, curious, active, friendly, kind. What What are the qualities? Generous. Yes, generous. Curious. Active. Friendly. Kind. Now read the question please. Fill the blanks using the words given in brackets. What are the words? Vertical, curious, qualities, respectively, generous, friendly, equal, active, higher, lower, responsible, lowest. Those are the words. Help you, right? Using those words, we have to complete this paragraph. Right? Before that, with blanks, read that paragraph please. Yes? Can you read? Yes, good. Can you read? Yes, start. The bar graph shows the personal qualities of some students in grade 10B. The horizontal axis represents blank, while the blank axis represents number of students. The qualities are generous, blank, blank, and kind. Majority of the students are blank, the, again blank, number of students are curious, and blank, number of students are active and friendly. The number of students who are again blank is 4 and it is again blank, then the number of students who are friendly and blank, then the number of students who are curious. Now children, time, this is the time to do that, right? Please do that with your pencil. Fill the blanks only. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Use the words. First blank, what's it? Second blank, blah, blah, blah. Third and fourth blank, blah, blah. Like that. Fill the blanks. Right. I hope you have finished now. Shall we discuss the answer? Right. Now see. Using the bar graph, you have to fill that, right? Now see. This graph shows the personal qualities of some students in grade 10B. Right? The horizontal axis represents, what's it? Yes? Horizontal axis represents qualities, while the vertical axis represent number of students. The qualities are generous, yes, generous, curious, yes, friendly, yes, active and kind, active and kind. Majority of the students are what? Generous. The least number of students are curious. The least number of students are curious. And equal number of students are yes, number of students are active and curious. Active and curious. Oh, no. Active and friendly. Active and friendly. Yes, active and friendly. Active and friendly. And the number of students who are, what's it? Who are, yes, who are, yes, curious. Curious is 4. Curious is 4 and it is, what's the word here? Lowest. It is lower than the number of students who are friendly and yes, active. Who are friendly and active. And yes, the number of students who are curious. The least number of students are least. Yes, like this. Least number of students like this. Right. Now complete this sentence. Read it again. To whole paragraph with me. Right? Hurry. Yes. Start. The bar graph shows the personal qualities of some students in grade 10B. Right? The horizontal axis represents, yes, qualities, while the vertical axis represent number of students. The qualities are generous, curious, yes, active, friendly and kind. Right? When you take those words, please cut it. Right? Cut it like this. Right? Like this you cut. First one you took vertical, cut. Curious, cut. Like that. Right? The majority of the students are generous. And what's the next word? The least number of students are curious. The least number of students are curious. Then an equal number of students are active and friendly. The number of students who are curious is 4 and it is lower than the number of students who are friendly and active. Than the number of students who are curious. Right? This is the thing. Right? Did you understand that one, my dear children? Yes. Next, we jump to the next activity. Right? Now see this one. Can you read the question, please? What's it? Yes? The bar graph shows the leisure activities of some students of the, what's it? Southern province. Study the bar graph and fill in the blanks. Study the bar graph and fill in the blanks. Yes? Look at the bar graph first and try to write the description about this bar graph, please. Right? This is time to do that. hope you have finished now that one. Right? Shall we discuss the answer? Yes? Then, yes? Alright, okay. Shall we discuss? Here, next one. Right? Yes. Now see. We can take first sentence from the question, replacing two words. Right? Now see the first sentence. How we write it? Yes? This bar graph shows the leisure activities of some students of the southern province. That the question, right? Or we can use this sentence like this. The above bar graph, following the above, isn't it? Yes, the above bar graph shows the leisure activities of some students of the southern province. We can write first sentence in two ways. What's the first one? First way, the bar graph shows the leisure activities of some students of the southern province. Or we can take this question, sentence from the question like this. This bar graph shows, the above bar graph shows the leisure activities of some students of the southern province. Right? Is it correct? Yes. Then jump to the next sentence. Right? We are going to describe two lines. Now we are going to describe two lines. Yes. Shall we? Yes. The vertical axis represents percentage of students while connecting. Connect with two lines, two sentences now. The vertical axis represents percentage of students while the horizontal axis represents leisure activities. Leisure activities. The leisure activities are, what are they? Yes, playing cricket, gardening, swimming and cycling. Swimming and cycling, we can write like this way also, right? We can describe the activities here, right? Then the next one. The highest number of students like swimming, highest. Now see the bar graph. Now see the bar graph. What's the highest one? Swimming, right? Swimming. Now, the highest number of students like swimming, which is 85%. For girls and 88 are for boys. 8 of birds. The number of girls who are gardening is, the number of girls who are gardening is higher, compare, right? Higher than the number of boys gardening. It's compare. It's the higher is girl, right? And who likes gardening? Boys who likes are gardening. An equal number of boys like cricket and cycling. Equal number of, I explain it to you, right? Equal, similar, same, right? An equal number of boys like cricket and cycling. The most popular leisure activity among these boys and girls is swimming. Boys and girls is swimming. Right? Then next we see what's it. Right? Yes. Now we practice more activities now, two activities. And you know now how to write the bar graph description, right? Another activity here from 2020 GCSE O-Level, question number 14. Now read that question and the bar graph. Look at the bar graph and read the question, please. Yes? Yes? Right. The following bar graph shows extra activities done by grade 10 students of Vidyaloka Vidyalaya to improve their English language skill. Right? Then language skills. Right? Write a description about it. Use about 100 words. The following words will help you. Right? Extra activities. This is a question. Yes? This is a task. Try to do that, children. Right. Yes. I hope you have done this one. Shall we discuss the question? Shall we discuss the answer now? Right? Now discuss the answer. Yes. What's the first sentence? Yes? Yes. Yes? The above bar graph shows the extra activities done by grade 10 students of Vidyaloka Vidyalaya to improve their English language skill. Right? Yes. Then, first sentence like this, and the next one, the vertical axis shows the number of students and the horizontal axis shows their leisure time or extra activities. Horizontal axis shows their extra activities. The activities are, third sentence, the activities are, what are they? The activities are, watching TV, taking part in competitions, reading storybooks, sing songs, make diary entries. Right. Then next sentence. According to the bar graph එකට අනුව, that means bar graph එකට අනුව, the most popular activity is watching films. A least number of students, a least number of students make diary entries. Least number of students make diary entries. And an equal number of students, an equal number of students read books and sing songs. Sing songs. Read books and sing songs. Reading storybooks is more popular than making diary entries. Making diary entries. Yes. So it is clear that now we are going to end up this paragraph description. Last sentence like this. It is clear that yes, the higher students prefer entertaining activities to improving their English language skills. Doing those activities, right? Can you read again that paragraph, please? Yes? Yes? Right. Now, see. Read it with me, right? Yes, start. The above paragraph shows the extra activities done by grade 10 students of Kalthota Vidyalaya to improve their English language skill. Yes, the vertical axis represents the number of students and the horizontal axis represents the activities. The activities are watching films, taking part in competitions, reading storybooks, singing songs and making diary entries. According to the paragraph, the most popular activity is watching films. A least number of students make diary entries and an equal number of students read books and sing songs. Reading storybooks is more popular than making diary entries. It is clear that these students or the higher students prefer entertaining activities to improve their English language skills. That's enough, right? Then children follow up this, right? Question GCSE R-Level 2018, question number 40. Again, GCSE R-Level 2017, question number 40. I think you all have textbooks, grade 10 and grade 11, right? Unit 7 pupils book, activity 2, grade 10. Unit 8 pupils book, activity 6, grade 10 again. Unit 7 workbook, activity 1, grade 10, page number 36. Again, revision 2, workbook activity. Activity 13, revision 2 part, workbook activity 13, grade 11. Right? Now I think this is the end of my lesson. I hope you can write a bar graph description correctly and neatly, right? And get more marks. Out of 10, you can get more marks. Not 5, not 4, more than 5, right? Goodbye children. Have a nice day.